We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP M2727 printer, and we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. Now the reason we're going to clean the scanner glass is we've been noticing whenever we're making copies or scans, we've been getting lines and blemishes on our pages, and that's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So the first place I want to start is I'm going to go ahead and open up the top of the scanner. And once you do, you're going to notice there's actually two separate pieces of glass. You have your large flatbed scanner for doing your face-down copies, and then there's a small strip of glass here on the left side of the printer. And what that's for is whenever you're using this top document feeder to do any kind of copying or scanning, all that's being done here on the small strip of glass here on the left. So that'll help you kind of troubleshoot which piece of glass you need to focus most of your cleaning on, depending on when you're noticing those blemishes occurring. If you notice it more when you're doing face-down copies or when you're using the top document feeder, that'll again tell you which piece of glass you really want to focus on, and instead of having to kind of worry about all of the glass. So once you get that figured out, what you're going to need is a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have something like glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. And then the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply your cleaner directly to the glass on the printer. If you do that, you run a high risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass, and that can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So it's really, really important. Always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth, never to the glass on the printer. So after that, we're just going to go ahead and wipe everything down. We want to make sure we remove any kind of dust, any kind of dirt, fingerprints, any kind of ink buildup, whiteout buildup, tape, really common to find. So you just want to kind of give a good visual inspection. Make sure we're getting all that off the glass. Keep in mind that some things like ink and whiteout can be a little bit more stubborn, a little harder to get off, so you will have to go over those a few more times. But once you're happy with the way everything looks, go ahead and I would run a test copy or a test scan. Now since I cleaned both pieces of glass, I would actually want to go ahead and try to copy or scan from using both techniques, both face-down copies and using the top document feeder. Make sure you're happy with the results from both ways. If you're still getting slight blemishes, then there's still probably something on that glass that's just a little harder to see. Repeat the cleaning process and that should take care of it. Other than that, you should be good to go back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. We hope you have a great day in your backup and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.